Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save files to a USB drive on your PC. So just take this USB drive, plug it into the front port, or if you got back ports, you can plug it in there. Now this might pop up on the desktop, or you'll see a little window that says autoplay on it. So if we go to our desktop, nothing popped up for me, but I'm going to go to this little box down here on the taskbar, and I'm just going to open this up. Now on the left, you can see there's something called this PC. We can just go down to it and then tap this. And we should be able to see all our drives on here. Now, if you're confused which one it is, just go to this page, remove it, and then plug it back in. So observe which one is the new one. So I'm going to look here, and it looks like the E drive. So this is 32 gigabytes, and then we can click into it. So a lot of times, if we are using NTFS, this is great if you're using it on your PC. But if you're bringing it to like a TV or something like that, or your phone, you want it FAT32 or EXFAT. So you can right click on it, and if we go to format, we can format it to the system or the file format that we want. So we can go down to EXFAT. Now, when you do this, this will delete everything from it, but it'll be compatible with your phone and your TV if you're going to be plugging into there. So you can see this switched over now. Now, what I want to do is just open this up. So I have my E drive on here. It could be different for you. And then I'm going to go to the plus icon, open up another file here, and locate your pictures that you want to save things to. So let's go to pictures. All right, so I have these two photos right here. Otherwise, I believe there's an option to select all. Right here, we can select everything. But I'm going to take two pictures, right click on it, and then go to copy. Then I'm going to go back to my E drive by switching the tab. Right click into here and go to paste. Okay, so now I have two pictures saved in here, and we go to the bottom right and we can switch it to the thumbnail display. So this will be on this PC, my E drive, and then here's the two pictures. Now we can go to our drive. If we go to this PC, right click on it, and we can go to eject, and this will safely remove it. So there's no issues with your files that you have on it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.